Hey everyone, before we jump into today's math problems, let's take a brief moment to relax and focus on our breathing. So sit up straight, and when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a deep inhale through your nose. And exhale slowly, also through your nose. Take a nice, slow inhale through your nose. And exhale slowly, also through your nose. On the next deep inhale through your nose, send the breath to any parts of your body that may be feeling tense. And as you exhale slowly through your nose, feel that tension release. Take one last deep inhale through your nose, filling your lungs. And at the top, hold your breath for a few seconds. And exhale as slowly as you can through your nose, savoring the breath and feeling a sense of relaxation and calm. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Today we're going to do two multiple choice problems from the College Board. They're both from section 4 of the SAT test, which does allow calculators. The first one says, line M in the XY plane contains the points 2, 4, and 0, 1. Which of the following is an equation of the line M? The second problem says, the graph of the exponential function h in the xy plane, where y equals h of x, has a y-intercept of d, where d is a positive constant. Which of the following could define the function h? So give both these problems a try. See what you can do. And it's all right if you're not sure how to approach them. You can even just take a guess. And in a few minutes, we'll have a look at them together. When you have complex problems, one strategy to make it a little easier may be to look at the y-intercept. And there are many different ways that that can appear. If you have a line, for example, if it's in the format of y equals mx plus b, the y-intercept is going to be the b value. You might have a table of data where you have an x value and a y value, and the y-intercept is going to be where x equals 0. You might have a graph, that's where x is equal to 0. Or it might even be a word problem, and that would be the starting value, where time, for example, might start out being 0. So if we look at this problem, you'll see that all of the equations are in the format of y equals mx plus b. We're told that 0, 1 is contained in the line. So 1 is the y-intercept. That's the same as the constant. So all we have to do is look at which equation has the constant equal to 1. And here are the constant values. And we in fact see that there's only one choice that has the y-intercept of 1. So D is the correct answer. Now let's look at the second equation and use the same strategy of focusing on the y-intercept. They tell us that the y-intercept is D. What that means is that the y-intercept is the point 0, D. So all we have to do is put in 0 for the x term in each of the answer choices and see if the result is equal to D. In the first equation, D to the 0 power is 1, so I have 1 times -3, which is -3. Well, that's not equal to D, so I can eliminate A. Let's look at B. If x is equal to 0, then 3 times x times D will all equal 0. So I can eliminate B because that doesn't give the result equal to D. Let's look at C. Again, I'm putting 0 in for x. -0 is 0 to the third power 0 times D is going to equal 0. So I can eliminate C. And at this point I can pick D as the answer, but if you wanted to check for sure, we could substitute 0 in for x. So I have 3 to the 0 power times D, and that whole expression is equal to D, which is what we wanted. So we know for a fact that D is the correct answer. I hope you enjoyed seeing these strategies and recognizing that if you have a complex problem, focusing on the y-intercept can lead to the solution very quickly. If you have any questions or any requests, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I always love hearing you guys' thoughts. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll be notified of new videos as they become available. You guys did a great job today. I look forward to seeing you next time.